Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Tinny from German Bangladeshi couple page. This is my version of chicken achar ghost, and these are some of the ingredients that we will need. This is my version, so I've seen others that also is another version. So that's how I cut my chicken, little cubes or a little bigger than cubes. And I took only breast piece because my daughter doesn't like any other pieces that has bones. And here in a pot I took about half cup of oil, maybe a little bit more. More always tastes good but not healthy, so I always go extra. Anybody who ate my cooking I always knows that I always go cook a little bit more, especially my sisters would agree. Yeah. So excuse me. So here we fry the onion a little bit. একটু ভাজি করে নিতে হয়, আর পেঁয়াজগুলো যত ছোট পারা যায় তত ছোট কাটলে ভালো হয়. You can cut it, you should cut it super small. And here I forgot to record that part where I added the ada roshun and then holud. Of course, I think I already added the lobon, the salt, and then you add all the moshlas that you have: ada roshun, dhuniya, jira, garam masala, tapore morich. And it's about 1 to 2 teaspoons depending on how much you take. So I have about 1.5 kg of chicken breast with boneless thigh meat also there. And if you like more spicy, you can add more shukna morich, মানে powder morich. আমার বাসায় সবাই খায় না মরিচ ঝাল, so I cannot add it. And then there's a Shan Achar Ghost Masala. You can buy and add that, which helps. So here I added about 3 teaspoons of that Achar Ghost Masala. And then tomatoes. I have 3 small tomatoes. You have to put tomato puree, but I didn't have time to make puree, so I just added diced tomatoes. And cover, let it cook for a while. After it cooked, look how beautiful this looks. And then you add the chicken here right now. Now you add the chicken. And you add the chicken. I made the mistake of covering it. Later you will see. Don't cover it, because when you cover it, pani bher ho jay, and I don't think that's good. Just let it uncovered and let it cook with just like that. Here we're going to make the stuffed peppers. This is what I put in my achar ghost, the stuffed peppers. You can choose any peppers. This is what I had in the hand, this Hungarian pepper. You can put jalapenos or any other pepper. You can put it. 3 teaspoons of the achar ghost masala and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. And so you mix that like that. Make it like a thick paste, or this is the stuffing. And my daughter really likes it like this, so it was her request to make it. And you can eat this with shadabat, pulao, khichuri. Khichuri would taste really good because it's like achar flavor, so it also tastes good with any type of khichuri. It's really good. And so if you don't want beshi jhal, na khaite chale, you have to slit it anyway. So when you slit it, you can take out these seeds like that, or hat diye, whatever you want. But I did it with the spoon and I cleared out all the morich. And then you just put the yogurt in there in the middle. Sometimes it gets a little messy, but you can do it. So keep filling it up and then we'll be back. Yeah. So again, I want to emphasize on this is my version. I don't know how other people do it, and I like to do it like this. So in the chicken, you add some yogurt, make it more creamy. Is about 2 tablespoons. This was just the leftover, so but roughly 2 tablespoons. I added yogurt. Yeah, that's a big tablespoon, right? Yep. So I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. At this point, I don't cover it anymore. I just let it cook because yogurt দেওয়ার পরে আরো পানি বের হয়, and I don't want that. But anyway, বের হয়েছে. You'll see, and you see, পানি বের হয়েছে, and I didn't like that. So from the beginning, do not cover it. Let it cook by itself in medium to low heat. আর চিকেনটা I made a mistake, একটু ভাজি করে নিলে ভালো হতো. And then you add the peppers here. At this point, add the peppers facing up, where the slit is facing up, so the filling doesn't come out. And I added some also regular kachamoris, and I stuffed it also for me. The big ones were for my daughter, the small ones for me. And then yeah, again, at this part you have to cover it, because so the pepper could cook and absorbs the flavor and stuff like that. So in the beginning, don't cover it. Here, okay, when everything is this is almost done,